Welcome back to another YouTube video, guys. Today we actually have a lot that's going on in the car. We got a PPF kit for the entire car. Headlights, the door handles, trunk, like the ledge, the trunk hatch. Then we got a new carbon plate frame. It's custom, has my name on it, that's pretty cool. Then we're gonna put on Jackson's front lip, but we also gotta get the jack. And we also need coffee, because it's 10:43 and no coffee in the system. So that's what we need first.
Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
Delicious. What do you think of that coffee?
I don't know. That's not a parking spot though.
Take a sip.
Wow, it's actually good.
Bro.
So we have just washed the car. Let me show you guys. Wow, looking clean. Wash the car. We're gonna do the PPF on the headlights, and we're also going to do the amber because this one's old, it's kind of chopped. But yeah, it's PPF on the headlights. We're going to do PPF on the door sills here. I think for all four, I'm not sure. And then PPF also here, I believe for both. And then to the back, we're going to do PPF on the trunk ledge, here, and then PPF for the trunk latch. Because, you know, you grab it, like, for me, I wear a ring, so, like, when you grab it, sometimes it can get it. We're going to put PPF there. And then we're also going to be changing out the plate frame. I think that's really it. But yeah, we're going to drive over to my boy's house now. We got the jack. We got coffee. We're all good. So yeah, I'll see you guys at Jackson's house. Can you believe he's not lowered? Ooh, I actually really like it. It's gonna look good. And this side looks really good.
Is that Connor or my brother? It's Connor.
This one he drives?
Yeah.
So you have to bring that?
Yeah. Dude, we were mobbing on the way to Gat. Actually, pretty well.
Just mocking it. Like, I just started. I'm just mocking it up now.
Oh, it's a three-piece?
Yeah. Fucking stay on. Piece of shit. Are you good now? Are you still good, Nick?
Not really. I'm way off. Right here, I'm pretty sure I'm good.
He's going so slow.
Is it just spinning?
Yeah.
Here, let me see
Dude, this drill is fucking pissing me off. It's because the bit's not staying in the drill. It keeps coming loose.
You need to close it.
I did close
No,
it.
watch. Watch the way it's spinning.
Oh, I had the wrong fucking way. Jesus. Holy fuck me.
That's why it was coming loose, because you're going
What the fuck is going on? Guys, I'm fucking tired.
I was looking at it and I was like, I think it's spinning funny. But I'm like, okay, maybe I'm upside down, so maybe it looks fine. Okay, here, let me hold the screw.
Yeah.
And just do not hit my hand. Yeah.
Me.
One side down. The other side,
Yeah.
so it's fine. It's not like all the way.
It's no, Yag said you have to bring it up a little bit for it to connect.
Okay.
It looks fine. I can't really tell because the one card's lifted up a little more for the one side card.
Yeah, Connor, you check too.
But it looks
Like you're saying this piece.
like where they're going up.
Here.
Yeah,
Oh, you're
right
saying
here.
like this looks the same?
Yeah, so it's even.
Does it feel even?
Yeah, it's like the exact same.
Okay, I'm not moving from here. I'm holding it.
Good. I hate drilling into bumpers, man. It hurts me. It hurts me.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
And you guys are gonna have like a full fucking driveway.
Can't just come to your phone. Fucking fucking stay there. Keep fucking chipping it a little bit.
My car is blue.
Guys, I'm just a detailer.
Oh yeah. I'm trying to get, it's trying to hit it on the angle.
That's lined up pretty good.
That looks really good. Damn, that looks so good.
Way better than my old one.
That looks so good.
Bro, what the fuck is this?
That
What
looks
car is
fire.
that? You got this from Alibaba?
Yeah.
Actually?
Yeah, it came in 2 weeks.
Is there anything underneath the
Real
car or are we
carbon
good?
and everything. No, you're good.
Bro, the fitment's actually crazy.
Bro, that looks so fucking good.
Dude, yeah, no, it looks perfect.
That actually wasn't bad. That only took us an hour.
An hour. An hour. Say bye. I'm gonna have to clean it though. You're supposed to take PPF off when it's hot.
Oh shit.
So this is just like temporary.
This one he put on before he went to Tennessee, so that like no damage happened.
Fair enough. Dude, next time we go, I'm PPFing my whole bumper.
Just fucking painter's tape the
So
entire.
no cones will do
Bro, this
damage.
guy had the worst luck on the way there.
Look at the condensation. Holy condensation.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because
Condensation.
Like that's actually bad.
Yeah, fair
I'm
enough.
hoping
Yeah,
the
I'll probably slap this on.
I'm hoping the warm weather will like cook the water.
Just sitting there.
You don't think so?
That's not how shit works, buddy.
I think
The warm will cook the
warm water's
water.
gonna cook the water. It's gonna come out a little bit.
No. This ain't the time, brother. Whoa.
I'm pretty sure his mom just watched me do that too. PPF is on. Look at that. I mean, you can't really see it, but like, that's perfect. Shout out Badge Skins, man. Okay, we got to do the trunk latch. PPF carbon. A custom plate, red lettering to match the car. Custom carbon plate. Got the tag here, so you know who it is. Like the car isn't already bright ass red and they know who it is. And then it's kind of hard to see, but a little GTI up top. And what we're gonna do with the old one, damn, that's clean.
Bro, what's he doing over here?
Bro, come back. I'm joining the party. We're gonna put the old one on the front. This one is just GTI. So, what do you think? I think it looks good. Bro, this car is so hot. Yeah.
Oh, you put it on the front too?
Yeah, it looks better, doesn't it?
Looks fine.
Okay, this headlight didn't turn out too well. There's some bubbles. Too cold. But this side turned out really well. Like, look at that. That side's like perfect. Once it heats up, the bubbles will go. And then we put the plate frame on the front. GTI. All the boys are here. Yeah, it stinks in this driveway. And that's really it. Got the yellow DRLs out. Like, bro, look at Connor's filming, bro. This shit is so good. The back is my favorite though. But yeah, we just finished putting the PPF on. We did not do the door handles because it didn't work out that well. But yeah, it's really it. If you like today's video, actually before we go, we're going to get some clips of the cars. We're going to go to a spot now, get some clips of the cars, and then that'll be really it. But if you like today's video, like, subscribe, comment if you want to see more. We're going to be doing way more vlogs soon because the weather's nicer. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.